Hi guys, I am Ignatius Chika. I want to show you how you can navigate through Ujomor Consulting official website. It's basically a web development company that focuses on web hosting, domain name registration, web development, social media management, and most importantly, SEO optimization. That is the core area, the area of focus. We want to make sure that whichever website we are developing is visible all around the world, and we have been doing our best to make sure that our clients are seen everywhere. But that is not what we are talking about this time. It's just how you can find Ujomor Consulting. It's just for you to start, open your favorite browser. I'm using a Microsoft Edge, and on your address bar just type ujomor.com and you hit your enter key. Alternatively, you can use your favorite search engine and also search for it, which we also demonstrate after this time. But presently we are at the home page of Ujomor Consulting, and right at the top you see home, about us, portfolio, clients, our services, blog, and support. Just if you would navigate a little bit down after the flash banner, you see okay, all TLDs available here. There's where the domain name, you can click to easily start your domain name registration. You click on the button right here, and you get a cheap domain name, or domain name at a cheap price. And if you also go down, this is let's see, scroll down again. Okay, this is web hosting. When you click on this button, it takes you straight to where you can choose a hosting plan of your choice. And the next is web development, where you can choose package or customize whichever development request you want us to handle. And after that, the SEO referencing option, or also known as SEO optimization, whichever one you choose to call it, and then social media management. So these are basically the 5 different services offered at Ujomor Consulting. However, there's also a bonus when you scroll down the bottom for our clients, or those who want to go into entrepreneurship, but they don't know how to start it, or they just have an idea but they don't know where to begin from. We offer free consultation. It's just completely free. Just contact us and we share idea and brainstorm over whatever you are thinking and how you can make money from it. From there, you can get started and start making money and start living buoyantly. However, there are other few things you can find at Ujomor Consulting website, like the live chats. If you have any issue, you can just use this live chat to contact us and create tickets and query, find out more. Also on the left bottom, you find some phone numbers and emails you can use to reach us, and our official address is also there. These are basically how to access Ujomor Consulting official page. Again, if you go to our services, this does not take you to the main client area. This only gives you a brief description or explanation to each of the services. So most of our clients just come in, they go to our services and they straight to this point, and sometimes they stop, they find it difficult navigating through to where they're supposed to take action. We understand that challenge, and that's why we are doing this complimentary video tutorial to give you a quick insight of how you can really navigate direct to the area you need. But if you want to learn more about the services we render, it is this place you can find them. You can find each of the services here, and for instance, click on domain name, and it's loading. just a moment. Okay, you'll find about the services and details and just a brief of it, so you have an insight of maybe business you are trying to opt in. For those of us that don't really are not really familiar with it or want to learn more, and if you click at this button, it will take you straight to the action area where you can start your registration. Also, this button here takes you straight there, and the link at the bottom here takes you straight to where we offer our blog session, where we talk more on regular basis about uh, domain registration or domain name, generally the trends like the TLD introductions and all that. So that is all about how you can quickly find your way around the Ujomor consulting environment. And another important thing is the registration. If you want to start, if you lost your navigation on the home page and you are in any of other pages, the client area will help you to quickly navigate and access the packages. You can click on register to start your registration. It takes you straight to the action area or client area where you can sign in and do your necessary registration. So, and we are doing our best to make sure that you find it very much more easy at all time. So thank you for watching, and keep always watching out for more videos and tutorials, and sending your questions and comments, and let's know where we need to improve on our video tutorial and services. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Ignatius Chika. Bye.